In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page setup in Google Docs to switch your document's orientation to landscape. This simple yet effective formatting change can be particularly useful when working on documents like wide tables, charts, or anything that benefits from a broader page view. So let's dive right in and get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to begin by opening your Google Docs file. Make sure you're logged into your Google account so you can access and edit your document without any interruptions. Once you have your document open, take a moment to review the content, as this will help you decide how the landscape orientation might enhance the readability or appearance of your document. Next, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen, where you'll see the menu options. Click on File. This drop-down menu hosts a variety of settings for your document, such as sharing options, version history, and other essential tools. We are interested in the Page Setup option here, so go ahead and scroll down until you spot it, then click on it. After you click Page Setup, a new window will open, inviting you to modify some of your document's core layout features. Here, you'll see several options, including paper size, page color, and the one we're focusing on today, orientation. You have two orientation choices: portrait, which is the default setting, and our desired goal, landscape. The landscape option is excellent for any document that requires a wider frame, providing a broader view so your audience can take in more information at a glance. Click on Orientation to reveal these options. You'll notice two radio buttons, one for portrait and one for landscape. Simply click on the landscape option. By selecting landscape, you ensure that your document will switch from a vertical format to a horizontal one, which is particularly beneficial if your document contains elements that are more expansive width-wise. Finally, it's time to apply this change. Look towards the bottom of the Page Setup window and find the OK button. Clicking OK confirms your choice and immediately applies the landscape orientation to your entire document. Instantly, you'll see your page layout adjust. This new setup should look just right for your content, and there you have it, a fully transformed document layout in just a few simple steps. Remember, this change is not set in stone. You can always revisit the Page Setup menu if you need to switch back to portrait or tweak other settings. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial helps you better customize your documents. If you enjoyed learning this tip, please consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials.